Hi, I'm Tony Burke, Professor of Religious Studies in the Department of the Humanities, and currently serving as a Religious Studies Program Coordinator. So if you have any questions about your courses or the program, I'm the guy you want to see. We teach a number of courses here in the Religious Studies program that deal with the origins of biblical literature, such as the Bible in Modern Context, which I teach every year. It's a first-year course. These courses look at when the individual texts of the Bible were written, by whom, where, and why. So I created this other course, the History of the Bible, to do something a bit different, to focus on the Bible as a completed book. So we start the course with a look at canon formation, so how the books in the Bible that are in the Bible today were selected, and then we look at how the Bible was transmitted over the centuries. At first it was in hand-copied manuscript form, and then in printed form after the invention of the printing press. And in the final few classes, we look at the various translations made from the original Hebrew and Greek texts into ancient and modern languages. We're going to spend a few classes too looking at text criticism. This is the art and science of taking all of the manuscripts of a particular text, in our case the Bible, and sorting through all of the variant readings to try to establish its original form. This can be quite painstaking for the Bible because there are so many manuscripts available. There's something like 5,000 manuscripts of the New Testament alone, and only in Greek. And there's lots of other languages besides. And there are about 400,000 variants among them. To put this another way, as one scholar put it, there are more variations among our manuscripts than there are words in the New Testament. We'll also, in the course, take a field trip to the Thomas Fisher Rare Book Library at the University of Toronto and get to see firsthand the manuscripts and printed Bibles that are in their collection. And perhaps if I am able to arrange it, we'll take another trip to the Museum of the Bible in Washington. This will be a really unique experience for us because the museum is quite controversial for how it acquired some of its artifacts, illegally as it happens, and it's also been determined that some of the artifacts and manuscripts in their collections are forgeries. And it's controversial also for how it presents the artifacts and materials, because it's according to the owner's particular Christian theology. Everything leads up to Jesus. The assignments in the course have changed over time and will depend on my success at arranging a Washington field trip, but likely there will be a book review and a presentation and paper that deals with a particular early English translation of the Bible, and then there's the obligatory class participation mark. So I hope you'll consider History of the Bible when making your course selections. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions about it.